like today is not Lenka cooking, I'm the cook.
Thank you.
Yeah, we went to some restaurant. You can even have on tap. You can have own beer here. Oh, that's cool. That looks good. By the way, good morning, guys. Oh my gosh, my head is crazy. Good morning, guys.
We are after lunch and we are going to some terrarium. I don't know if it's in English terrarium, but they have some snakes, alligators, spiders, and they have one puma, small puma, and nosal. Do you want something to drink? Ice. Oh, because it was here in car and it's very cold, so no water, only ice.
It should be somewhere here, because Lenka loves animals. So I promised her to go with her, and yeah, there should be some crazy reptiles. So let's see them. Terrarium. Oh, today's closed.
No.
No? We are already here. There are even some monkeys. What is that? Guys, that's so cool here. I didn't know it, but you can here feed the animals. They will borrow it to your hand. You can pet them. That's really crazy. That's so cool. Love it.
Zvědavej.
Takže má takovou malinkou tu hlavu.
No ale on tu tlamu zase otevře poměrně.
Jo.
Je to škrtit, že jo?
It's so cool here that we can.
Chceš ji vyfotit?
Nekousnem je?
Ne. Python.
Oh my god, it's crazy. I've never had this kind of snake on me. It's scary. I wanna borrow this. He said one of these has 70 kilograms. 70 kilograms, and one of them is angry, one of them is okay. They said they would let us to hang it around our neck, but not today because he's protecting her, the angry guy.
A takhle teda je.
Open.
Tohle mi ještě předtím neudělal před dvouma. No, pustíme na zem chvíli.
V tom cyklu se jakoby to zvíře nachází, jo. Pokud je třeba napářená, vím, že ten samec jí pářil, tak jí jednu čtvrtinu celé té váhy, jo, investuje do té snůžky, jo. Oni mají 70.
It's a little puma. The kitty.
Kdybych chtěla na zem, můžu jít pustit?
Jo, určitě.
Podívej se na mě. Come on, I'm going to feed it. Wow. Wow.
Ale tam je ne ta ruka.
Do you like it here? Such a cool terrarium because it's interactive because and now they will feed an alligator. They will feed alligator.
Jo, takže dospělá samice aligátora severoamerického Prostě jinak. No, když jsem prostě si chodil fotit hady, že, tak prostě jsem někde tam toho bylo tolik, že jsem tam prostě to trvalo dlouho, než dostal ten protijev, tak by tam nemělo dojít k nějakému silnému. No vidíte, prostě ono to roste rychle. Jak máte 7, 8, 10. No, to je dobrý. To je super.
It was so cool. I cannot believe that we were playing with little puma, baby puma.
And with snakes and leguans and alligators and everything.
I was a bit skeptical when we were coming here. Okay, I said to myself, okay, that's just some fun for Lenka, but it was actually fun for me as well. Alright guys, we're back home. So today you have seen episode of Animal Planet with baby puma. It was really lovely animal. So hit the like button for him. Okay, we love you so much. We'll see you tomorrow, guys. Good night, dobrou noc, gute Nacht. It's waiting for me as well.